guys, this is the part 2 of data text preprocessing. So we are going to deal on the tokenization. Tokenization basically is splitting sentences into a list of words. So we are going to read, for example, from our tweet, we are going to read the each line by line, and on each line we are going to create a list of words, like what is, even the punctuations will be treated as words. So what we are going to do from our code, we are going to use the lowercase from our first video where we did the lowercase. So we are going to use the lowercase. Let me first print the data frame so that you can see how it looks like. So Python text underscore preprocess.py. So this is how our data frame looks like. So this is the tweet, the file we read from first line. This is the file we read. Now and then we define the lowercase from the tweets. Lowercase, basically lowercase you use to convert the tweets into small letters. So what we are going to do, we are going to define another data frame which shall be the tokens. So let's do that, and we are going to use the lowercase. So div data frame tokens. So this is the new data frame is equals to, we are going to use the data frame for lowercase. Then we are going to apply. So we are going to apply, then pass the anonymous function, that's lambda, then pass the argument x, which shall be this. If you didn't watch the first video, you can just copy this line, which is just used to lowercase the tweets. So then we are going to use the lowercase tweets to create tokens. So this x is the line on each of the x represent line, because you are going to loop each and every line of the data frame from the column of the lowercase. So like the first line shall be this, second, third, up to the 1000. X now is the argument, now the line. Then what are we going to do with the line? We are going to tokenize. But before we complete this, we are supposed to import the word tokenizer function of the method, which shall be used here to tokenize the words. So from nltk, we installed an nltk from our first video of the installation of getting started, part 0 video. So from nltk tokenize import word underscore tokenize, yeah, like that. So then we are going to use this method word underscore tokenize, then we pass in the sentence. So the word tokenize will take the line of the or the sentence, then it shall return a list of words, which is tokens for each row. So let's print this. So because if we print the data frame, it shall take much time. So let's just print the tokens, the data frame of tokens alone. So let's run that. So and that is it for the tokens. So let's print like the first line and see how it reads. So let's print the first line. So that is it, how you generate tokens from sentences by pre-processing. So on the next video we are going now to do some more cleaning on this. Like we are not supposed to have something like the period, hashtag. So these are the data we are going to omit from our text. So thank you for the part of the video. If you have any question on tokenization, you can just ask on the comment section. Thank you.